have a toy roller coaster, like, kind of like, and Cheshire Cat is in here, trebuchet, a toy launcher trebuchet. And I have toys lined up to get launched, and first up is Cheshire Cat. Next up we have Phoebe the dog from Puppy in My Pocket. It went down there.
Puppy launch fail.
There. It's probably not gonna even.
Who do we have?
This is Marie from Zoom Zoom.
Zoom Zoom Marie?
Zoom Marie. Zoomy.
Zoom Marie. Will she zoomery through the air?
1, 2. Not really.
She also zoomer plop.
She always lands on her feet.
But still kitty fail.
Whoa. And next is a bing bong ball.
A bing bong ball?
Meet your friend who likes to play bing pong, ping pong, ping pong. This rocket makes you yell hooray, bing bong, bing bong. Talk on my head. Okay. 1, 2. Wow. If we added too much, maybe we'll take out that one. And now we're going to do the ping pong ball. That actually came with the shape. Wrong way!
I almost got nailed.
We're going to try the ping pong ball again. Oh, that worked.
Oh, that worked.
Now we can do the maze ball.
Make sure you get the
I'll be right
lines.
back with you. I'm loading a cat toy. Hopefully Macy will chase it. Where is she?
Right over here. Hang on.
Macy, we're going to shoot a ball for you.
Macy. Hang on.
And slowly.
And we're panning.
1, 2, 3.
Daddy caught it. Look at her. Oh,